can't get into that. So anyways, today everything else arrived. We have, this is, let me see, the hood, the roof, the trunk, and the spoiler. Oh, this is so impossible to get out all the time. I made it worse. Okay, finally, we're getting somewhere. Come on. Oh, it's getting stuck again. Alright, finally. That wasn't so hard, that was easy, only took forever. Making a note, this hood is very messed up. There's a lot of little dinks here and there. The paint job isn't that great. I sanded the really harsh areas, but you know, you still have areas where it's bad. It's pretty much all over the hood. If I spend my time fixing all the body work, there's a reason people choose to wrap it. They're just gonna wrap it and then go. This is a drift car, so it doesn't need to be perfect. But that's, you know, one of the reasons why paint is usually more expensive than wrap, because if you're wrapping a car like this, you're not gonna paint over anything that's not perfect. So you're gonna sand everything down, make sure it's smooth, you know, apply any body filler that you need, and then hit it with the paint and the primer and all that. We're just wrapping it, so it's going as is. It's gonna have the little dots. It's as good as it's gonna get.
Put it on the left.
Look at that.
On the left and then.
That's a world different.
World different, right?
So what'd you do? The bumper.
From bumper, fender, door, quarter.
Alright, everything's painted, okay. I mean, compared to what it was.
Huh?
Compared to what it was.
It's a huge difference. Normally I pull it and I just cut along the edge. So the vinyl, this is Avery, it would hold along this edge, but every project is different. The paint is thinner on this edge, so I wanted to make sure it's tucked. So it's nice and tucked. It should hold long term. I'm gonna cut the rest and we're good. coming along nice. The colors are matching. Client wanted the roof black. I added some gray tribal stripe thingies like these up here just to give it some contrast. You can't really see it unless you're like tall like me or the car is low. But it's there. Truck is done. We just gotta finish that side. Still gotta do the 2 calipers, spoiler, and then the front bumper. Tomorrow is a new day. It's a mess here, so let's clean up.